year, it's all about resolutions, right? And when it comes to technology, I know most of us would probably like to use it less or find a better balance. I recently spoke with technology expert Burton Kelso to get his top 6 tech resolutions that will help us declutter, save time, and save money. Burton, it is so good to have you here. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
All right, we were so bombarded with technology in 2020. Maybe good to make some resolutions for 2021. What technology resolution should we be thinking about?
Well, the first resolution that everyone needs to be thinking about is performing automatic backups of your tech devices. Doesn't matter if you use a smartphone, tablet, or computers. It's important that you have your information backed up automatically. So if something catastrophic happens to your device, all of your important photos, documents, and videos are stored safely in the cloud. Apple users can use iCloud, Android users can use Google Drive, and computer users can use Carbonite.com.
Okay, some good things to think of. We don't want to lose any of that viable information. What about passwords? We've had so many websites and everything. How do we manage all that?
Right. A good password manager is something that everyone needs to embrace in 2021. It's easy to store all of those different passwords for your online account. You can use your web browser to store those passwords, or you can use packages like LastPass to store your passwords. A good thing about a password keeper is that if there is a data breach that has your password, those password managers will alert you so that you can go and change your passwords.
In 2020, we were in front of screens. Our kids are in front of screens. You know, everything was doing that. How do we make that balance between screen life and real life?
You have to make a concerted effort to make a good balance between your digital life and your real life. If you've seen The Social Dilemma, you know that technology is designed to keep you addicted. So you need to make a conscious effort to take time to get away from those tech devices. You can set up no tech zones in your home or office, or you can even make sure that your kids are not using as much technology by putting parental controls on their devices.
That was a good documentary. It was really eye-opening for sure. What about tech devices we have lying around? What should we do with those? What should we be thinking for the new year?
If you've got old tech devices, it's possible that you can sell those devices and make a little money off of those. So if you've got older devices, make sure that you try to list them on Facebook Marketplace. If they're just too ancient, take them to your favorite recycling center and let them recycle those devices. Now, before you get rid of them, make sure that you wipe those devices clean so that people don't get your personal information.
When it comes to incorporating maybe new technological devices in our lives, and there's so much out there, what should we be looking for?
Well, when you're looking to buy new tech devices, you want to make sure that you're getting tech devices that are green. So if you're looking at new light bulbs, obviously you want to switch from standard light bulbs to LED light bulbs. If you're looking for new computers, make sure that they have the Energy Star efficient sticker on the device so that you're getting more bang for your buck out of your devices. And finally, it's a good idea to move towards smart home hubs like Amazon Echo and Google Home. So that way you can control your thermostat, your lights, so that way you're saving more energy in your home or even your office.
And saving energy equals saving money.
Right.
So you're getting, like you said, more bang for your buck. It's worth it for sure. Your last resolution for 2021, I've really been trying to do, and that's those subscriptions. What do we do with those?
Your tech subscriptions, you need to check in to make sure that you're not being billed for unnecessary software. If you're using subscription services like Adobe or Microsoft Office, make sure that you're using those programs, because even if you aren't, you're still being charged for it. So check in with those subscriptions, make sure you're not being charged for software you're not using. Also, check with your cable provider to make sure that you're getting the best package that's giving you more bang for your buck, because sometimes your cable provider offers better internet and TV packages than the plan that you're currently on. They're not going to tell you they've got a better deal. It's your job to call them to find out what's the best deal that's available for you.
Got to advocate for yourself there. And even just like the subscriptions on my phone with programs and stuff, I realize, oh my gosh, I'm still paying for this. If it's like a game or something and you're not playing it.
Right. That's exactly. And that's how they make their money, is those subscriptions. People forget, and you're still being charged by your credit card. So yeah, check them and make sure that you're not paying for stuff that you don't want.
Burton has such great advice on how to best use our technology. Even just switching out the light bulbs can save you some money. But that Energy Star, checking to make sure that's on if you got a new computer, new laptop, new desktop, can save you some money as well. We incorporated those smart home hubs, and it's really been helpful. We've seen our energy decrease, which of course in the end has saved us all money. So little tweaks here and there that we can all make to be more green in our technology, have more balance, and save more money. If you want more advice and tips, you can check out Burton at burtonkelso.com.